So if you want to join us, get in the pool right now. We're still looking for some more people. Actually, when we're hopping into our pool Olympic, you won't be doing no dancing in our pool Olympic. I know it's a hot day. I'm sweating up here like crazy. Huh? I wish later on, after work, I'm definitely coming in. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Come here. You won't be dancing. Come on over. All right, I want one female to be a team captain and a male. One female to be a